the Melbourne Storm, if they can replicate that form from last week against the Eels, it will be an almighty clash.
They only met a few weeks ago, didn't they?
Yeah, it was a few weeks down in Melbourne at Marvel Stadium, but the Storm got out to a 14-point lead, TJ, and then the Panthers came back and...
3, 2, 1, go!
Back to the Melbourne Storm
Skibidi DJ. I'm a huge fan of your music. I've been dancing to Skibidi all day.
Thanks, bro. I'm glad you like my music.
I was wondering if you can sing for me.
Sure, I'll hook you up. You're the king upon this throne, I'm ready for the stone. Yes, yes, yes. Skibidi dip, skibidi bop, skibidi bop.
The child. 3, 2, 1, go!
So I can show them to the people that I recorded the video. I'm gonna play a game. I'm gonna make a video about guessing the skibidi toilet
3, 2, 1, go!
You're ruining my business.
Big surprise.
No, I have to get. I'm gonna try to turn off the internet. So I get no ads.
Playlist, playlist, movies and TV shows. Watch all for free when it's
Oh, this is a hard one.
Go!
I know this one. I just that's sometimes I think I glitch. I think
Three, two, one, go!
My style is ridiculous.
I know what this was.
Our superhero builders battle.
Why is this a blue screen?
Take one moment.
3,
He
2,
didn't show
1,
me.
go!
It's the Titan Superman video.
Monaros meet the Aussie
Wait,
family
you
where the
gotta
kids are named after Holden cars and open the
that's
most
good, right?
throw a party for less than
That is
$10
good.
a person on weekends.
3,
Maybe because I just watched it too quick.
go! Christmas bells,
But the windy conditions kept it mild overnight. The city recorded its highest maximum since April, an incredible 15 degrees. A few suburbs made it into the low 20s again today, but it certainly wasn't a day to be outside enjoying it. Avalon reached 22, Moorabbin and Werribee 20.
Why don't it's
3, 2, 1, go!
Christmas style is ridiculous.
Tips. And it was not a great day
It's
for
because you had it off a little.
85 kilometres an hour across the bay. Most of the stations had showers